All right, here is journal number 4 by Emily Torgerson. After watching the video, the academic benefits for focusing on a lesson surrounding a big idea include creating an academic goal that leads to the development of observable and measurable objects. When conducting assessments, teachers can focus on the students' achievement of the big ideas and conceptual understandings, and students can identify general patterns of ideas that repeat and make connections from one big idea to the other. So essentially, surrounding a lesson on a big idea helps to organize your thoughts and to guide your lesson planning and instruction. What strategies did the teacher use to develop student understanding of the concept of multiplication and division? First, she connected the big ideas from addition to multiplication and subtraction to division in a whole group model. She used symbols to represent groups, using both circles and the squares to represent counting and the number of families. And she allowed the students to collaborate with a partner on the carpet as well as at the desk to share ideas and to develop further understanding of the new concepts. What effective engagement strategies were used? She first used student-invented strategies that helped the students make sense of the new ideas in their own ways. So on the board, she asked the students how they were processing the new ideas and to demonstrate. She did call up some students to illustrate the ideas themselves. The other strategy was using repeated addition or doubling, which focuses on the distributive and associative properties by helping make connections to previously learned concepts. And she did the number talk or mental math, which allowed students to visualize the concept by breaking down the numbers in their heads, which will eventually be a more functional way to solve equations, as seen when she asked the students to solve the equation 26 times 4. If I were to teach this lesson, I would use manipulatives for the students to represent their thinking, since some students may struggle with creating mental images for their concepts. All right,